Nanotoxicology is a specialized branch of nanotechnology that studies the toxicological effects of nanomaterials on biological systems and the environment. As nanotechnology continues to expand, with nanoparticles being utilized in diverse industries such as healthcare, cosmetics, electronics, and food production, understanding their potential impacts is critical. The unique properties of nanomaterials, such as their size, shape, surface area, and reactivity, make them highly effective in applications, but also raise concerns about their safety. Nanotoxicology seeks to address these concerns by examining how these materials interact with living organisms and ecosystems, ultimately aiming to ensure their safe and sustainable use. The nanoscale size of these materials allows them to penetrate biological barriers such as cell membranes and the blood-brain barrier, which traditional materials cannot cross. This ability opens the door to revolutionary medical treatments, but also introduces potential risks. For example, nanoparticles can accumulate in tissues and organs, leading to oxidative stress, inflammation, or cell damage. Studies in nanotoxicology aim to identify the mechanisms by which these particles interact with cellular components, such as proteins, lipids, and DNA, to understand their potential to disrupt normal biological functions. One of the primary focuses of nanotoxicology is assessing the safety of engineered nanoparticles used in consumer products. Nanoparticles are commonly found in sunscreens, cosmetics, and textiles due to their beneficial properties, such as UV protection and antibacterial effects. However, concerns about their potential toxicity arise when these particles enter the human body through inhalation, ingestion, or skin contact. For instance, inhaling nanoparticles used in industrial processes can lead to respiratory issues as they accumulate in the lungs. Researchers in nanotoxicology conduct extensive studies to evaluate these risks and develop guidelines for safe exposure levels. In the environmental context, nanotoxicology investigates the impact of nanomaterials released into ecosystems. Nanoparticles from industrial waste, consumer products, or agricultural applications can enter soil, water, and air, affecting plants, animals, and microorganisms. Their small size and chemical properties can enable them to be taken up by aquatic organisms or absorbed into plant roots, disrupting food chains and ecological balance. Additionally, the persistence of some nanomaterials in the environment raises concerns about long-term contamination. Studies in this area aim to develop methods for detecting, monitoring, and mitigating the potential harm caused by nanomaterials in nature. Another critical area of nanotoxicology is its application in nanomedicine. While nanoparticles offer remarkable benefits for drug delivery and imaging, their potential toxicity cannot be overlooked. For example, some nanoparticles used as drug carriers may inadvertently accumulate in non-target tissues, leading to adverse side effects. Researchers are working on designing biocompatible and biodegradable nanomaterials to minimize these risks. By understanding the interactions between nanoparticles and biological systems, nanotoxicology contributes to the development of safer therapeutic solutions. Ethical considerations also play a vital role in nanotoxicology. The rapid pace of nanotechnology development often outstrips regulatory frameworks, leaving gaps in oversight and safety standards. Nanotoxicologists collaborate with policymakers to establish comprehensive regulations that balance innovation with public and environmental health. These efforts include creating standardized testing protocols, ensuring transparency in the use of nanomaterials, and promoting public awareness of their potential risks and benefits. Despite the challenges, advances in nanotoxicology have led to significant progress in understanding and managing the risks associated with nanomaterials. Innovative testing methods, such as in vitro models and computer simulations, allow researchers to study the effects of nanoparticles without relying solely on animal testing. Additionally, the development of green nanotechnology focuses on designing materials that are inherently safer for humans and the environment. Nanotoxicology plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between innovation and safety in the field of nanotechnology. By thoroughly investigating the interactions of nanomaterials with living systems and ecosystems, it ensures that the benefits of nanotechnology can be harnessed responsibly. As the field continues to evolve, nanotoxicology will remain essential in guiding the safe and ethical use of nanoscale technologies across all sectors. Nanorobotics is a cutting-edge field within nanotechnology that focuses on designing and developing microscopic robots, typically at the nanoscale, capable of performing precise and complex tasks. These nanorobots, often only a few nanometers in size, are envisioned to operate at a molecular or cellular level, bringing transformative changes to various industries, particularly in medicine, manufacturing, and environmental monitoring. The concept of nanorobotics stems from the idea of manipulating individual atoms and molecules to construct machines that can operate autonomously or be controlled externally to achieve specific objectives. One of the most significant applications of nanorobotics is in the field of medicine. Nanorobots have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling targeted drug delivery, where therapeutic agents are precisely delivered to diseased cells without affecting surrounding healthy tissues. This approach minimizes side effects and enhances the effectiveness of treatments, especially in conditions such as cancer. For example, nanorobots could be designed to recognize specific markers on cancer cells, ensuring that only those cells are targeted for drug release. Additionally, nanorobots could assist in performing delicate surgical procedures, repairing tissues, or removing blockages in blood vessels, offering minimally invasive solutions with unprecedented precision. Diagnostics is another area where nanorobotics holds immense promise. Nanorobots equipped with sensors can navigate through the human body to detect abnormalities at an early stage. By analyzing biomarkers and other indicators, these tiny machines can provide real-time data about a patient's health, enabling early intervention and personalized treatment plans. This capability is particularly beneficial in detecting diseases such as Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions long before symptoms become apparent. In the industrial sector, nanorobotics has the potential to enhance manufacturing processes by enabling the assembly of products at the molecular level. This approach, often referred to as molecular manufacturing, could lead to the creation of materials with unprecedented properties, such as extreme strength, lightweight, and enhanced conductivity. Nanorobots could also be used to repair damaged machinery or structures by working at the microscopic level, extending their lifespan and reducing maintenance costs. Environmental applications of nanorobotics are equally compelling. These tiny machines could be deployed to monitor and remediate environmental pollutants. For instance, nanorobots designed to detect and break down harmful substances could be used to clean up oil spills, remove toxins from water sources, or capture greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. This capability would significantly contribute to environmental conservation and sustainability efforts. Despite its enormous potential, nanorobotics is not without challenges. The development and deployment of nanorobots require advancements in materials science, as these machines need to be durable, efficient, and safe for use in biological and industrial environments. Powering and controlling nanorobots at such small scales also present technical hurdles. Moreover, the ethical implications of deploying autonomous nanorobots must be carefully considered, particularly in terms of privacy, security, and potential misuse. Research in nanorobotics continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, with significant strides being made in areas such as bio-inspired design, self-assembly, and swarm intelligence. By mimicking natural systems, scientists aim to create nanorobots that are efficient, adaptive, and capable of working collectively to accomplish complex tasks. As these advancements progress, nanorobotics is poised to become a cornerstone of innovation, unlocking possibilities that were once relegated to the realm of science fiction. Nanorobotics represents a transformative force with the potential to reshape industries and address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Whether it's revolutionizing healthcare, advancing manufacturing, or protecting the environment, the impact of these microscopic machines is expected to be profound, ushering in a new era of technological and scientific breakthroughs. Nanofabrication is the process of designing and constructing structures, devices, and systems at the nanoscale, typically measured in billionths of a meter. This advanced manufacturing technique is a cornerstone of nanotechnology, enabling the creation of components and materials with unprecedented precision and functionality. Nanofabrication is instrumental in various fields, including electronics, medicine, energy, and materials science. as it allows for the development of innovations that were once thought to be impossible. By manipulating matter at the atomic or molecular level, nanofabrication has the potential to revolutionize technology and industry, ushering in a new era of miniaturization and efficiency. One of the most prominent applications of nanofabrication is in the electronics industry. The ongoing demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient devices has driven the development of nanoscale transistors, integrated circuits, and memory chips. Techniques such as photolithography, electron beam lithography, and nanoimprint lithography are employed to produce these components with extreme accuracy. For example, modern semiconductor manufacturing relies on nanofabrication to create transistors that are only a few nanometers in size, which is essential for the continued advancement of Moore's law. These nanoscale devices not only enhance the performance of computers and smartphones, but also pave the way for new technologies, such as quantum computing and neuromorphic chips. In the field of medicine, nanofabrication is playing a transformative role by enabling the creation of advanced diagnostic tools, drug delivery systems, and biomedical devices. Lab-on-a-chip devices, which integrate multiple laboratory functions onto a single microchip, are a prime example of nanofabrication's impact. These devices can analyze blood samples, detect diseases, and monitor health conditions with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Additionally, nanofabrication allows for the design of nanoparticles and nanocarriers that can deliver drugs directly to specific cells or tissues. This targeted approach minimizes side effects and improves the efficacy of treatments, particularly in cancer therapy and gene editing. Nanofabrication is also a driving force in renewable energy and environmental sustainability. The development of efficient solar cells, fuel cells, and batteries often relies on nanofabricated materials with enhanced properties. For instance, nanostructured coatings on solar panels can improve light absorption and energy conversion efficiency, while nanofabricated electrodes in batteries enable higher energy storage capacities and faster charging times. In environmental applications, nanofabrication techniques are used to create filters and membranes capable of purifying water, capturing carbon dioxide, and removing pollutants from the air. These innovations contribute to addressing global challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity. The process of nanofabrication involves a combination of top-down and bottom-up approaches. Top-down methods, such as etching and lithography, involve carving out nanoscale features from bulk materials, much like sculpting. In contrast, bottom-up techniques, such as self-assembly and chemical vapor deposition, build structures atom by atom or molecule by molecule, mimicking natural processes. These approaches are often used in tandem to achieve the desired precision and complexity. Advances in nanofabrication tools and techniques, such as atomic force microscopy and focused ion beam systems, continue to push the boundaries of what can be achieved at the nanoscale. Despite its immense potential, nanofabrication faces challenges that researchers and engineers are actively working to overcome. One major obstacle is the cost and scalability of manufacturing at such small scales. Developing nanofabrication techniques that are both economical and capable of mass production is critical for widespread adoption. Additionally, ensuring the safety and environmental impact of nanofabricated materials is a priority, as their unique properties may pose unforeseen risks. Nanofabrication represents a paradigm shift in how we create and interact with technology. By enabling the precise manipulation of matter at the nanoscale, it opens up possibilities for breakthroughs that were once confined to science fiction. From enhancing everyday devices to solving global problems, the advancements driven by nanofabrication are shaping a future where innovation knows no bounds. As the field continues to evolve, the integration of nanofabrication into various industries will undoubtedly lead to transformative changes, improving lives and expanding the frontiers of human capability. Quantum nanotechnology is an emerging field that combines the principles of quantum mechanics with the precision of nanotechnology to develop groundbreaking applications in science, industry, and technology. By leveraging the unique behaviors of particles at the quantum scale, such as superposition, entanglement, and tunneling, quantum nanotechnology is poised to revolutionize various sectors, from computing and communication to healthcare and materials science. This interdisciplinary approach promises to unlock unprecedented capabilities, transforming how we interact with and manipulate the physical world. One of the most prominent areas where quantum nanotechnology is making an impact is quantum computing. Unlike classical computers, which process information in binary bits, zeros and ones, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously due to superposition. Nanotechnology plays a crucial role in fabricating the precise, ultra-small components needed for qubits, such as superconducting circuits, trapped ions, and quantum dots. These nanoscale systems are meticulously engineered to maintain coherence and stability, enabling the development of quantum processors capable of solving complex problems at speeds far beyond the reach of classical computers. Applications range from optimizing supply chains and simulating molecular structures to advancing artificial intelligence and cryptography. In the realm of quantum communication, nanotechnology is essential for creating secure and efficient information transfer systems. Quantum communication relies on the principles of quantum entanglement, where particles remain interconnected regardless of distance, to enable ultra-secure data exchange. Nanostructures, such as photonic crystals and single-photon emitters, are integral to the development of quantum networks. These systems can transmit information with absolute security, as any attempt to intercept the data disrupts the quantum state, alerting the parties involved. This technology has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity, providing a robust defense against hacking and data breaches. Healthcare is another domain where quantum nanotechnology is poised to make transformative contributions. Quantum sensors, enabled by nanoscale engineering, offer unparalleled sensitivity and precision in detecting biological signals. These sensors can be used for early diagnosis of diseases, monitoring vital signs, and studying complex biological processes. Additionally, the combination of quantum dots and nanocarriers in drug delivery systems allows for targeted therapies with unprecedented accuracy. By leveraging quantum phenomena, these systems can improve the efficacy of treatments while minimizing side effects, particularly in areas like cancer therapy and neurodegenerative diseases. Materials science is also being reshaped by quantum nanotechnology. By understanding and manipulating quantum interactions at the nanoscale, researchers can design materials with extraordinary properties. For instance, quantum tunneling and electron confinement can lead to the creation of materials with superconductivity, magnetoresistance, or optical properties that are unattainable in traditional materials. These innovations have far-reaching applications, from developing energy-efficient power systems and advanced sensors to creating next-generation displays and lighting. One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum nanotechnology is its potential in renewable energy. Quantum effects at the nanoscale can enhance the performance of solar cells, batteries, and fuel cells. For example, quantum dots can be used in photovoltaic cells to capture a broader spectrum of sunlight, increasing energy conversion efficiency. Similarly, quantum tunneling effects in nanoscale electrodes can improve the performance and lifespan of batteries, making renewable energy systems more viable and sustainable. While the possibilities of quantum nanotechnology are vast, the field is not without challenges. Quantum systems are inherently fragile, with their states easily disrupted by external factors like temperature, electromagnetic fields, and vibrations. Maintaining the coherence of quantum states over time and scaling up these systems for practical applications requires significant advancements in nanofabrication techniques and material design. Moreover, the integration of quantum nanotechnology into existing infrastructures necessitates overcoming technical, economic, and regulatory hurdles. Despite these challenges, the potential of quantum nanotechnology to reshape the technological landscape is undeniable. As research and development continue to advance, this field is likely to unlock solutions to some of the most pressing global issues, from energy and healthcare to security and communication. The convergence of quantum mechanics and nanotechnology represents a frontier where the smallest scales of nature are harnessed to achieve the greatest impacts, marking the beginning of a new era of innovation and discovery. Nanophotonics is a dynamic and interdisciplinary field within nanotechnology that explores the interaction of light with materials at the nanoscale. By leveraging the unique properties of light and its manipulation at this tiny scale, nanophotonics has enabled groundbreaking advancements across multiple industries, including communication, computing, healthcare, and energy. The principles of nanophotonics revolve around controlling and guiding light using nanostructures, which can enhance its interaction with matter in ways not possible with conventional optical technologies. At the nanoscale, light behaves differently due to phenomena such as plasmonics, photonic crystals, and near-field optics. These effects allow researchers to confine and direct light in structures smaller than its wavelength. This control is fundamental to developing technologies such as sub-wavelength optical components and highly efficient light-emitting devices. For example, plasmonics involves the use of metallic nanostructures that can concentrate light into volumes much smaller than its wavelength, enabling ultra-fast and sensitive optical devices. One of the most transformative applications of nanophotonics is in the field of data communication and processing. Traditional electronics face limitations in speed and energy efficiency, but nanophotonics offers a solution by enabling optical interconnects that use light instead of electricity to transmit information. This technology significantly increases data transfer speeds while reducing power consumption. Optical waveguides, nanoscale lasers, and photonic integrated circuits are some of the innovations in this area, paving the way for faster and more efficient computing systems, including advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. In healthcare, nanophotonics has introduced innovative diagnostic and therapeutic tools. Techniques such as optical coherence tomography, OCT, and fluorescence imaging leverage nanophotonics to provide high-resolution, non-invasive imaging of biological tissues. These tools are invaluable in early disease detection and monitoring. Furthermore, nanophotonic devices are used in targeted photothermal therapies, where light is absorbed by nanoparticles localized in diseased tissues, generating heat that destroys harmful cells without damaging surrounding healthy areas. This approach is particularly promising for cancer treatment. Energy applications of nanophotonics are equally impactful. Solar cells, for instance, benefit greatly from nanophotonic enhancements. By incorporating nanostructures like photonic crystals or plasmonic nanoparticles, solar panels can trap and utilize sunlight more efficiently, increasing their overall energy conversion rates. This improvement is critical for making renewable energy sources more viable and cost-effective. Additionally, nanophotonics is instrumental in developing advanced lighting solutions, such as energy-efficient LEDs, which are vital for reducing global energy consumption. The field also extends its influence to environmental sensing and monitoring. Nanophotonic sensors are capable of detecting minute changes in environmental conditions, such as air quality, water contamination, and hazardous gas levels. These sensors rely on the high sensitivity of nanophotonic systems to detect even trace amounts of pollutants, providing accurate and timely data for environmental management. Nanophotonics contributes to emerging technologies like augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Advanced nanophotonic displays enhance image quality, brightness, and color accuracy, creating more immersive experiences for users. Furthermore, these technologies are becoming more compact and wearable, thanks to nanophotonics-driven miniaturization. Despite its immense potential, nanophotonics faces challenges that require ongoing research and innovation. Fabricating nanoscale optical devices with precision and scalability remains complex and resource-intensive. Additionally, understanding and controlling light-matter interactions at such small scales demands sophisticated theoretical models and experimental techniques. Addressing these challenges is essential for realizing the full capabilities of nanophotonics. Nanophotonics represents a cornerstone of technological advancement, offering solutions that blend the power of light with the precision of nanotechnology. Its applications are reshaping industries and addressing global challenges, from energy efficiency to medical breakthroughs. As this field continues to evolve, its impact on society will grow, unlocking new possibilities and redefining the limits of what technology can achieve.